Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is saturate the entire board with water. You could brush it on if you prefer. I just like to saturate it in the bottle. Now notice that I have the board tilted forward, probably a couple inches. I often use the core of 2-inch masking tape to do this. And I'm going to tilt it sideways a little bit more than that. You'll see I put the masking tape on its edge. And I'll start to work in some cerulean blue. And it's running. Gravity is doing the work. It's running down and to the right because everything is wet. I'm putting a fairly watery mix of cerulean on a wet board of paper. And I'll tilt it a bit to help gravity, to help it run along. I like not to pick the painting up. I tend to hinge it when I tilt the painting. And I'm trying to get an interesting look here, a nice blend of colors. I don't want solid blue. I don't want all white. I don't want symmetrical colors. I don't want a big blob of blue or white in the center. But once I get an interesting look, I'm going to blow dry it and stabilize the paints.